Well, hello everyone. This is Anita Armstrong. I'm still in Georgia, loving Atlanta. Every time I come here, it is such an awesome experience. I just love all of the green trees. I love seeing all of the green trees. Well, the She Makes Noise conference, Women's Entrepreneur Conference, was absolutely fantastic. I am awestruck. I am amazed. And we were talking last night about what are some key points that we feel that every woman, every person, every individual that was there, something that we feel that allowed us to walk away feeling empowered. For me, it was the fact that each and every speaker, every presenter, everyone there, the main focus of the conference was faith. There was a strong it factor, and the it factor for me was God. Everyone touched bases with the foundation of why they're able to do and succeed in what they do. And we had a variety of different businesses there, trades and gifts and talent, a variety. Even me and what I do. It was very different from what other businesses were doing. And at the same time, we have so many things in common. The key factor, the it factor for me, was the fact that everyone touched ground or touched bases with faith. Every woman speaker that got up there, phenomenal. I was sitting there like a sponge, just soaking. It almost felt like it was wrong. It was so good. And looking forward to the next She Makes Noise conference. I can't wait. And I'd like you to introduce you to my little Morgan in the back. I might bring her. She has some things that she has to share too. All right, you guys have a great afternoon and keep doing it big, ATL. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.